Algorand's MI10 basically shows a sort of descending pattern, which truly is very huge. As far as Algo support floor, it for the most part is presently $29 in an unpretentious manner. Algo fall 18–15% in 7 days, which especially is very critical. Algorand truly is as of now esteemed at $23.05 April 2024. In this video, we will walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time, basically sought clarification on some things facts. What sort of is truly transient cost expectation for Algorand? All things considered, is Algo an all things considered wise speculation, which generally is very huge. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Algo specialized examination, explicitly let us sort of discuss the kind of current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to total 492, 603, 616, 514 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume generally remains at $105, 179, 770s, 926 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52–82% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16–33%. So Algorand's MA10 in every practical sense shows a fundamentally descending pattern, which truly is very critical, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895.12 level after a decay of 59% incredibly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 3.28% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span, showing what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, $895.12 level after a decay of 59%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, explicitly is somewhere near $857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem, which especially is genuinely huge. These occasions really demonstrate that the market by and large is going in every practical sense, descending. Heading for genuinely present moment, which for the most part shows what in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 in $895.12 level after a decay of 59%, which explicitly is very critical. As of now, a truly broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Algo specialized examination. Generally, let us in a real sense discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which really shows that Algo fall 18–15% in 7 days, which especially is very huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchases by and large become substantially more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which vendors in every practical sense become move all things considered, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Extremely further appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 3.18% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours in a very large manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost in a real sense is $23, with an exchanging volume of $76, 487, 159 as in the exact beyond 24 hours, showing that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to 492, 603, 616, 514, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, Algo in a real sense is somewhere near 632% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,829 is 771, 518 in an all things considered enormous way. Algorand Value Investigation Algo Cost Examination for 05 April 2024 inside an especially everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath. Exhibiting that the by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $105, 179 to 779.26, which basically is genuinely huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength indices, moving especially normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving in every practical sense, normal SMA and outstanding moving especially normal MA to basically examine the future development of the Algorand, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period, exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66 to $895 level after a decay of 0.59% in an unpretentious manner. The Algorand essentially has, for the most part, break all it's in every way that really matters, upholds levels and things in a real sense are not looking very great for the crypto market, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At present, explicitly bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take algo cost beneath the critical help level of $29, showing how as of now, a kind of broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the algo specialized examination, really let us basically discuss the essentially current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. While Algo's Williams %R pointer is at 42.99 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, an exchange pretty sign basically is most certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to 222, 492, 603, 616, 514, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The Algos moving in every way that really matters. Normal union and uniqueness MACD marker especially is showing a genuinely present moment fundamentally sell genuinely signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath certainly signal line which essentially implies generally bears especially are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting how Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana certainly is somewhere near 857 and as of now exchanging at $172.88 in an unpretentious manner. The overall strength file RSI demonstrates that the Algo coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 31, showing how while Algo's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 42.99 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal especially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency